In this session, we learn about the structure of the human heart, its part, and their function. The diagram of the human heart is shown on the screen. You can see the structure of the human heart is like a cone shaped. The human heart is covered with a double layered membranous sac called pericardium. Let us see the different parts of the human heart. Generally, the human heart consists of three different parts. They are chambers, blood vessels, and valves. Let us see the chambers present on the human heart. There are four chambers present in our heart. The four chambers are right auricle and right ventricle present on the right side, whereas left auricle and left ventricle on left side of the heart. The blood vessels present on the human heart are vena cava, pulmonary artery, pulmonary veins, and the aorta. The valves present on the human heart are tricuspid valve present on right side, bicuspid valve present on left side, aortic valve present below the aorta, and pulmonary valve present below pulmonary artery. Now let us discuss about the function. Here we can see the four chambers of the heart. They are right auricle, right ventricle, left auricle, and left ventricle. Let us see the function of right auricle. It receives deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body and pumps it to the right ventricle. Now, the function of right ventricle is to receive deoxygenated blood from right auricle and pumps to the lung for purification. After the purification of the blood from the lungs, the oxygenated blood comes to the left auricle. That means the function of left auricle is to receive oxygenated blood from lungs and pump it to the left ventricle. In left ventricle, this is the left ventricle. The left ventricle receives oxygenated blood from left auricle and pumps it to different parts of the body. Now let us see the function of different blood vessels of the heart. We have vena cava. There are two vena cava. These are the superior vena cava and this is the inferior vena cava. From the vena cavas, the impure blood comes from different parts of the body. That means the function of vena cava is to transport deoxygenated blood from different parts of the body into the right auricle. We have pulmonary artery. This pulmonary artery, they carry deoxygenated blood from right ventricle to the lungs for purification. After the blood gets purified in the lungs, the purified blood comes to the left auricle by pulmonary vein. That means the function of pulmonary vein is to carry oxygenated blood from lungs to the left auricle. Finally, the purified blood or the oxygenated blood from left ventricle passes through the aorta. That means the function of aorta is to carry pure blood from left ventricle to different parts of the body. Finally, let us discuss about the bulbs present in our heart, there are four bulbs. This is tricuspid bulb, which separates right auricle and right ventricle. Similarly, this is bicuspid bulb, which separates left auricle and left ventricle. Bicuspid bulb is also known as mitral valve. And third one, this is pulmonary valve, present below the pulmonary artery. And the fourth is aortic valve, present below the aorta. Let us go through the function of tricuspid valve. The tricuspid valve blocks the backflow of blood from right ventricle to the right auricle when the ventricle are contracted. Similarly, the bicuspid valve blocks the backflow of blood from left ventricle to the left auricle when the ventricles are contracted. Third, let us go through the pulmonary valve. The pulmonary valve blocks the backflow of blood from pulmonary arteries to the right ventricle when ventricles are relaxed. Finally, aortic valves blocks the backflow of blood from aorta to the left ventricle when the ventricles are relaxed. You can see the major function of the chambers of the heart. Similarly, you can see the major function of blood vessels of the heart. You can see the major function of valves of the heart.